Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to make reservation from history. To make a reservation from history, go to room rack first and click from history. From here you can create a filter by pressing the plus sign and select Add Condition. Change the filter type here, we will use guest name for this example and enter the value here. Click OK to start searching. From here, we will make a reservation. As you can see here, the information of the guest is already filled in. You only have to choose the room type, room number, date and rate type to proceed as normal. Click Done, it will show you the payment amount, click Done. Here you can print the reservation ticket. After that, click Done and you can see that the reservation is successfully placed. Thank you and I hope you've learnt something from this tutorial video.